Little video on how to create a cloud EMA or just any type of moving average where you want two moving averages and to fill the space between the two. So first thing we're going to do here is go to studies. So I just right clicked and went to studies, and we're going to do EMAs. You could do SMA if you wanted. So I'm just going to type in moving average and then get whatever two moving averages you want. I'm just going to do two, let's just do two exponential moving averages. And then the next study we're going to want to add, I'm just going to add them all first, is study subgraphs. So make sure it's subgraphs because there's study subgraph and study subgraphs. And so the subgraphs one with an S allows you to add multiple studies into one study essentially. So I'm going to use this study subgraphs reference. And now what I'm going to do is go into the moving average. Let's say I'm just going to have this one at 1. And I'm going to display underneath the price graph. And I'm going to go to the second one. Same thing, draw underneath the main price graph. And I'm going to set this one to 20 just so that they're different. So you can see up here that they are different. And then down here you can see we have the study subgraph reference. We're going to want to change it to region 1 because we're going to want it to be up here, and we're eventually going to hide these two actually. But what we're going to do is we're going to reference the first exponential moving average, and we're going to reference the second exponential moving average. And as you can see here, it already is doing what we want. We would go to here, and I'm going to put transparent fill top instead of fill top. And on this one, transparent fill bottom. And as you can see, it is off-centered. You can see it's on the wrong spot here if you compare it to the actual moving averages. So what you want to do is go to here and go to the settings and inputs and click on scale here and change this from independent to automatic. And what that's going to do is that's going to correct it. And then what you can do is just go to these and hide them if you don't want those lines. And now we have a moving average cloud. And so that is pretty much all you have to do. Just get two moving averages, create a study subgraphs reference, and then have the subgraphs do transparent fill top and then transparent fill bottom. And that's pretty much it. And then go to scale and make sure it's on automatic. Otherwise, it's not going to show up in the right location.